Colin here with Max Tie Downs to talk about our spare tire Y straps. We just returned from King of the Hammers where we had top place finishers every day running this exact product. Really proud to see these Max products come across the podium. These are available in 3 standard configurations. What you see here on the tire is our flat snap hooks. We also offer a twisted snap hook end and a loop end if you're going around cage tubing. It would come configured with the same hook on each of the 3 legs, unless specified otherwise. We make them custom as well. One really cool feature is this laser piece in the middle here that's connected directly to the ratchet that allows the ratchet to stay perfectly centered in the wheel to keep it out of harm's way. The 2 upper legs are adjustable with a robust 3-bar slide, and then of course the 3rd leg is tensioned with the ratchet handle itself. They fit 35 to 40 inch tires and available in red, blue, black, yellow, lime green, and pink. Get yours today at maxtiedowns.com or give us a call. Custom requests are not a problem. 1-800-666-1586.